Texting on WhatsApp is simple and intuitive. After opening the app, you're going to be greeted by a chat screen which displays all your active conversations. To start a new message, tap on a chat icon, usually located at the bottom right of the screen. This is going to show your contact list. Now, where you can search for a specific person or scroll through your contacts, basically. So select the person that you want to message, and you're going to be taken to the chat window. At the bottom of the chat window, you're going to see a text input field. Tap it to bring up your keyboard, and then type your message. You can also use emojis by tapping the smiley face icon on the keyboard, or attach photos, videos, documents, voice messages by tapping the paperclip icon next to the text field. All right. Now, once you're ready, press the send button, usually a green arrow, to deliver the message. If you want to reply to a specific message, simply tap and hold the message. Now, you got to then select reply to quote it in your response. Now, WhatsApp also supports features like group chats, broadcast messages, or even voice calls, making it versatile as a platform for all types of communication.